Дорогой друг, перед началом данного видеоролика хочу попросить тебя, чтобы ты подписался на мой канал, ведь до лета я хочу набрать 1000 подписчиков, ну а я не буду тебя задерживать, так что приятного просмотра. Обязательно поставь лайк и подпишись. Спасибо.
What are these two little puppies doing in the middle of nowhere? Oh man. Oh, who dumped you out here, eh? Oh dear. You don't look very well, do you? Look how thin you are. You know, it's one thing seeing stray dogs in a city, but when you see two puppies out in the middle of nowhere, hundreds of miles, hundreds of kilometers from anywhere, what do? It's not fair, is it, guys, eh? Covered in fleas. How long have you been out here?
You've got to wonder how these little guys ended up out here. They only look young.
You think you can sit on there? Hey? It's gonna be hard, isn't it? I'm not sure how I can do this. Right, you gotta stay there, okay?
All aboard Basil Bike. And don't they look chilled out on Lyndon's lap? I really hope he can find somewhere that will take care of these lovely animals. They definitely don't deserve to be roaming around the wilderness with no food.
Right, it's 60 miles, guys. Are you ready for it? Alright fellas, we made it. Alright fellas, it's time to get off. So I just brought them here to this gas station. Wow, muchas gracias. Well, there you go, George and Poppy, you've got some food. Those guys are seriously hungry. They're like scoffing the food down. George and Poppy, as I named them. I just hope these people, they seem dog friendly, so hopefully they can take care of them. I hope so. So it's a happy ending. Two little fellas, George and Poppy, have got some food, and I've left some money here with the owners of this petrol station, and they're really dog friendly and they're going to take care of these little fellas.
Okay, thank you. Ooh la la la, ooh la la. Oh, Miskin, elle me fait pitié. Allez hop, nique sa mère. Hop. Nique sa mère le McDo. Hop. Ça part sur ça. Ça part sur une bonne action. Bonjour. Voilà pour vous. De rien, bonne journée. Au revoir, bon courage. Allez hop, ça c'est réglé. Oh. Nique sa mère le McDo. Elle m'a fait pitié de ouf, gros. Ah. Ah, c'est le fail. Hop. Allez, comme ça c'est réglé. Oh tant pis, je voulais un McDo les gars. Ah, elle m'a fait pitié. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Hi, kitty. Come here. Hey. Hey. What you doing, bud? You can't be on the road like that, dude. You cannot be on the road. What, buddy? He's friendly.
Kitty kitty. Hi kitty kitty. Hi kitty kitty.
He's kind of cute, Mama. I don't want him, but look. No, I'm not. Watch this.
Come here, kitty kitty.
What? Nope. Up there?
Yeah, behind the Jeep. Behind that Jeep with the lights on. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Did it break down?
Yeah. We're actually towing it and the tow strap popped.
Oh shit, that's not fun.
We got our two little ones in the other Jeep, so appreciate the help.
Yeah. It's nice that everybody stops, you know?
Yes.
There we go.
Wow, thank you. We getting close, Tanya? Perfect.
Good?
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
No problem. What the fuck? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Hey. Here. Come here. Oh. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, I should have picked it up. Come here. Come here. Me. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. All right. Come here. Come on. I'll put you back. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. There you are. Back with your mummy. There. Oh, bless it. There. Hey. Hey. See, not all bikers are bad.
Do you want to sit on the bike?
Maybe.
If you pick him up, I can hold the bike. It's a big bike, right?
Come here, Monster. Whoa, look at that.
Big man, huh? Alright, so now what we're going to do, you're going to press this button down. Ready? You like that? Now all you have to do, put your hand here and pull that. Yeah. You like that? You like that? You gotta be careful with him.
What do you say? Thank you.
You're very welcome. You guys have a great day.
Thank you.
I thought he might like that.
Yeah.
He seemed to be interested in the other vehicles, so.
Oh, yes.
Need some help?
Yeah?
You gonna turn the wheel? Push it out?
Yeah.
Where do you want to take it? Closest parking lot's way up there on the right, though. Alright, go into the turn lane. Alright, then cut it that way now. You could get out and push your own freaking car though, bro. Can't leave on my bike, sorry bro. Alright, I'll go help him again. I'll push it through the turn. I'll push it through. Whoever said I'm not a nice guy. I probably sound like I'm giving birth right now. Oh shit, I'm burning up. Jeez. Yeah, hurry, 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 hurry! No problem. No problem, man.
Thank you.
No problem, man. Can't breathe. Holy crap. I'm out of shape.